Please click on the subscribe button to follow my channel, and please click on the bell icon to get all notification about my future videos.
Didn't even get to cross.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kanti, and today I am heading to DHANUSKODI, that is Rameswaram. It's almost 600 kilometers from Chennai, and I am going with 12 other friends. So they are coming with me, and I'm going to join them at Vandalur. From Vandalur we all will start the journey. So I'm so excited about this ride. Let's see how it goes. Thing is, there are many different bikes are coming in this ride. Street dogs are so curious about me. I'm wearing all the riding gear. There is a big backpack tied in my back seat, so I don't want to mess with street dogs. No doggies, don't follow me. So once I meet them, catch up with you guys.
Guys, we just assembled near Vandalur. See the bikes. Totally 13 bikes. We are yet to start the ride, but one of our rider is not yet come, so we are waiting here.
Just starting from this place, that is Vandalur. So the ride is very well started, and we are cruising at the NH. This road will go through Tiruchi, Madurai. It's so beautiful morning. See the climate. So the ride is going very well. All the bikers together. Even though we have RE bikes, we are still together, being with them at same speeds. மண்டை மேலே விழுந்து. So now we are going to Paramakudi. We can definitely we can directly go to Rameshwaram from Chennai, but the Paramakudi is a nearby place to Rameshwaram, and there we have a friend's house. So we all planned to stay there together in a friend house, and tomorrow morning we will head to Rameshwaram and Dhanuskodi. We are now entering the Pamban Bridge. The train will pass through that bridge to reach Rameshwaram. Bikes can't be parked here. Police is always watching, so they don't want us to create the traffic here. So we are near Pamban Bridge. இங்கே இருந்துடலாம் போல இருக்கே. We are moving from the Pamanwala, beautiful place. See how many birds are flying. I have already came here with my parents in very small age, so I don't remember how it was, but now it is just amazing. See, we have the sea both sides, and in the middle we have this road to Dhanuskodi.